So if you guys haven't seen the pipe repair video, I recommend you check that out because we worked some magic on this here two-stroke pipe. But anyway, let's get into getting this bike put together and see how far we make it in this video.
Welcome back.
We're a little tired today. We ate some cake. It's my
like 3 pizzas.
Wedding anniversary today, so Holly brought us some cake. Picked up some pizza courtesy of RJ. Yeah, getting the YZ together. So this thing has a restyle kit on it. So this is literally an 02 to 04 chassis. This is an 03. And yeah, got the restyle kit going on. We're actually just messing around earlier, and that subframe from a 2022 will bolt right on this chassis. So anybody with the steel frame YZ wants to build a trike too, let us know. We're gonna be making kits for this chassis now too. I already got the triple clamps figured out for them. These actually just came off yesterday in the last video, I believe, when you guys last saw it. But yeah, got what, a black 200X front fender. Going with all black plastic. Just got to peel the graphics off there. Thing's coming right together.
It's the airbox off the 22 also.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Good call. 22 airbox right there. Time to put the sprocket on. That came in finally. So we got that on there. Just gonna get the bolt kit from the other room. So back to the toolbox again. Now, anytime you rebuild anything old, I mean, I'm pretty picky about when I do builds. So all new exhaust hangers, exhaust springs. Alex is making noises back there. Got the little rubber booty that goes between the silencer and the head pipe. Radiator guards. They're from Yamaha. Pretty cool. Right down to the old brake bolt. Can't have a rusty, crusty bolt on there. That'd be horrible. Cool. Glad it's all here. This stuff was all actually ordered next day, and it came within a day. It's a miracle. So I'm gonna go get the bolts for this, get this bolted on. I'm gonna get the rotor adapter on the other side, and we're gonna get this on that swing arm. I am recording right now. You're gonna have that though.
Just a question.
Just a question. What was I even talking about?
The Kickstarter being sloppy?
Yeah, this thing is sloppy as hell.
Like, that's what I'm saying. Like, is it as sloppy as my ex-girlfriend or not that sloppy?
Not as sloppy as my ex-wife, but you're gonna have that on those Canadian jobs, right?
You'll have that.
All right, guys. So for the Yamaha models, we actually Kawasaki too, and KTM. We run Honda rear calipers and axle blocks. I think it's a better design. It's just simpler for us when we're producing these because we don't honestly do a lot of these. Maybe in the future we'll run the OEM caliper, but if you are gonna buy a Yamaha kit from us, we're gonna sell you a Honda caliper for it.
Cali kit too.
Cali kit too, and KTM. Just overall better design. So nice and so peaceful over here. As you guys can see, the design of the brake stay on the Honda style right here. It's just a good piece that is not going to ever allow your brake to actually pop out. And it's just something that we designed when we did these kits. This works better for us, and trust me, it'll work better for you if you upgrade it, like we said. Anyway, let's get the wheel on. What do we got for a gap here? Get my spacer back in. That is a tight fit. That is a tight fit. All right, got it in there. Cool.
Maybe the axle on that side?
Yep. Anybody that already ordered a kit, if your axle goes in tight when you got your swing arm, we actually thickened up this material on the inside. Not much, like 20 to 30 thou on each side. You see how this plate's doubled up? So if you're having an issue with your spacer sliding in, hit me up, because I'm actually I got a new spacer for the other side. But I believe Kayla had that covered. Shipped all that out. You want to push the swing arm down? Down a little bit, a little more.
Yep. Here we go.
Yep, don't leave these in the rain. They will rust. Gotta grease them. All right, cool. It's a little bit of a tight fit up here, but we've never had any issues with those. Make sure you tighten these bolts up. Lock tight and torque the hell out of them, guys. Not trying to turn this into a how-to video, but I always try to give a couple tips here and there, just some feedback I've been getting, and try to address that. But yeah, Honda caliper. This is brand new off of 2022. That's now on here, and you can see our spacers on the inside. We got the caliper going against there, just like OEM. We got good engagement on this holder right here, and now you're just gonna go with the nut and washer, which I actually had a brand new one right here. I'll throw that on for me. Now this comes with a new brake line holder, and that's just gonna go right up to the stock master right there. So again, nut and washer on there. Beautiful. That is a locking nut. No cotter pins on this bike. Cool. Threw some powder coat on the spring. This suspension was actually already redone by the previous owner. It looked like it had Race Tech gold valves by a certain company. I don't remember the name, but yeah, no leaks on the suspension. All the seal heads looked like they were replaced. Seal head was replaced on the back. The fork seals were replaced on the forks, obviously. And yeah, we just threw some powder coat on the spring. But coming together. This guy here is like super extreme multitasker. A little advanced auto action, putting on a jack shaft chain. It's pretty exciting stuff here in this shop. Got throttle hooked up. Got throttle hooked up. Pretty excited about that.
Alright, we'll just pull the battery off a little more. See you guys then.
Is she gonna work? Hell yeah, it's the right length.
Thank you, Ricardo.
Yeah, so you guys can see about where we started. So we're kicking this forward. We're gonna get the chain connected, and we're gonna rotate these back every tooth until this is snug up against the front chain slider. Now this chain is the only one that's gonna actually have effect with the suspension. This one's literally just gonna be sitting there. There's no movement from here to here. All right, guys, so as you know, I like to include you in all of these builds, which is why I post these. I like comments, I like suggestions and opinions on what you think looks the best. So I had a brand new bike here, which is now a trike. That bike's getting shipped overseas to actually Dubai, and we're not sending all the parts with it just to save the weight and all that other crap. So I got brand new plastic, like brand new takeoff plastic gas tank seat, because that one's getting a black gas tank, so we now have a blue gas tank. What do you guys think about putting all the brand new plastic on this 03? It's literally gonna look like a 2021-ish bike, and yeah, might look cool. So I'm gonna flip the camera around, show you guys a little preview. Yeah, so
Just weird how everything fits.
It all fits. That's I believe a 21. I believe that's a 21.
We called it a 22 in a couple of videos.
Yeah, we said 22. It's a 21, guys. Sorry about that. We have a 22 coming for the same guy, and he ordered a 21 and a 22. Anyway, so we got the airbox on there. This is the 21 gas tank. Got the shroud. I do have a blue trike front fender, which might end up on here. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think. I was going to go with Drew's old plastic that came on the bike. Pulled all his graphics off. I was going to do a full custom graphics kit, but I'm kind of vibing on the OEM look.
I kind of like the 250.
Something about it, you know? Got the 250 right there. I think it's pretty sick. Got a nice scuff right there. I'm going to buff that out. You're going to have that when stuff gets in a tote. Yeah, we got the mirror fender. Rip that for me. I got one hand.
Yeah.
Just want to see if the blue's even close.
I looked at it earlier, and I think it is.
Yeah. It's pretty damn close. Not bad.
Good enough for close enough fabrication.
Good enough for who it's for, right? It's a shop bike.
Yeah, it's our bike.
All right. Well, anyway, guys, let me know what you think. I think it looks cool like that. I think the blue with our powder coat looks pretty sick. Yeah, if we don't do that, then we're going to do some custom graphics. But we might just do this just to get the bike done and go from there. See what it looks like, and then make a custom kit later. But all right, that's it for today's video on the YZ250. Again, check out that pipe video if you haven't seen it. It's amazing, the dents that we pulled out of this thing. I mean, it was literally trash, and now it's not. It's going to go on the bike. So anyway, Alex is going to keep going on this thing. We're going to get the plastic on, get all the fluids in it, get it finished up, and start it in the next video. So stay tuned tomorrow for the next video, guys. I will see you tomorrow.